going to go to our telephone for a quick comment before we resume with our friends in studio. Good evening and welcome to Tuesday Forum.
Hello, Elaine.
Welcome.
It is a fantastic program and I'm enjoying most of it,
Yes.
except that I can feel and hear a lot of hypocrisy coming across on the airwaves.
Yes.
We are in a society where there is discrimination. There is discrimination against women, and the elderly women in this society are discriminated against by the male elders. It is very fashionable for an elderly man to be seen posed with a younger.
Yes.
It is.
Yes.
It is a disgrace. Also, in that audience, I'm looking at the television right now, in that audience, there are men and women who are of the same age group. They are perhaps lonely and single people. Not one of the men in there would marry any of the women in that audience.